Hi guys, welcome to this video looking at how you can insert Excel files and different documents into a Word document. So if I had a Excel file and I wanted to put a specific table into a Word document, what you need to do is go to Insert up at the top here. Then you go to Object and you click on it, that's this little square here, and go to Create from File. Click Browse and then find your document. Now mine is saved in Documents and Geometrics. I find my file, which I've called Concentration Experiment. I click on it, I click OK, and hey presto, my file has been inserted. And that works the same for many different things, so it's a really good way to insert things into your Word document. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you enjoyed it, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to my channel, that will be a great help. You can visit my website and you can have a look at my latest videos. Thanks for watching.